Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive the MG Hector. To begin, always ensure your MG Hector's gear selector is in park or neutral. Then, firmly press the brake pedal with your foot. While holding the brake, simply push the engine start/stop button. The engine will smoothly come to life. Take a moment to check the dashboard for any indicator lights, ensuring everything is ready before you set off on your journey. Next, let's get acquainted with your MG Hector's interior. The prominent 10.4-inch touchscreen is your command center for infotainment and vehicle settings. Locate the intuitive automatic gear selector, the electronic parking brake, and the climate control buttons. Also, familiarize yourself with the steering wheel controls, which allow you to manage audio, phone calls, and cruise control without taking your hands off the wheel. Now, let's focus on the fundamentals of driving. Before moving, adjust your seat, side mirrors, and steering wheel to achieve a comfortable and safe driving position. Always use your turn signals well in advance of changing lanes or turning. Maintain a safe following distance from other vehicles, typically a 3-second gap. Practice smooth acceleration and gentle braking to ensure a comfortable and efficient journey for everyone. Finally, let's explore some advanced features in parking. The MG Hector offers a helpful 360-degree camera system, making parking in tight spots much easier and safer. Experiment with driving modes such as Eco for fuel efficiency or Sport for a more dynamic experience, depending on your preference and road conditions. Remember to engage the electronic parking brake whenever you stop for more than a brief moment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.